Hi guys!
Hey everyone!
We have a really fun video today. We thought that we would do a video of 20 facts about us. I have no idea what Noah wrote. She really doesn't have any idea what I wrote. We thought that this would be a fun way for you guys to like really get to know us because some of you guys are new.
Yeah, and if you're new here, this is a cool way for us to introduce ourselves to you guys and welcome you to our channel and get to know the two crazies here.
And if you guys have been watching us for a while, hopefully there's some facts in here that you didn't even know.
Yeah, there's some I didn't even know.
I know. All right.
About myself.
You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, the first fact about us. We're not sisters. We've been best friends for a million years. Some of you guys think that we are sisters because we look so much alike, and that's very flattering because Nora's very pretty. And we are best friends, not sisters.
And we have what we call the Armenian complex. We feel like all Armenians look alike and we're Armenian, so by default, like our hair is dyed, obviously, because we're not natural blondes. Our eyes are the same shape almost.
Yeah.
Like our features are very dominant, like the Armenian dominant features that we have. So by default, we just look like sisters. All right, fun fact about me: I was born and raised in Los Angeles, like Hollywood. I think
rare.
Not a lot of people could say that.
Okay, fun fact: I have two brothers whom I am incredibly close with.
I went to an Armenian school from kindergarten to 12th grade, and my class only had 28 people in there.
That's like nothing.
I know.
Oh my God, I had more people in like my classroom than your whole class. I have a French bulldog.
I have crazy hair that I need to blow dry and iron every single time I shower, and it takes me about an hour to do my hair.
Or else her hair is like this. It's really
Ani
really
will provide a picture right now.
I haven't had red meat in 25 years. The last thing that I had that was red meat was an In-N-Out burger, and then recently I took a bite of a cheeseburger. It was really good.
An In-N-Out cheeseburger. Her last and first meal was In-N-Out. I think this is like a really cool fact about us, that Ani and I were set up with our husbands by the same person.
We were. Amazing matchmaker. Thanks, Z. I nearly died during childbirth and I had to have 3 blood transfusions.
That was not a fun time.
Not a fun time or a fun fact, but it is a fact, and that's actually why I've been slowly reintroducing meat back into my diet, because I was like severely anemic and it caused some problems.
I went to UCSB and majored in global studies. Woo, go Gauchos!
I knew you were going to do that. I was born in Iran, but I'm Armenian.
My parents only let me move out of the house because I was moving there with my childhood friends, or else that would never happen as an Armenian girl back then.
Fun fact, I own over 100 pairs of shoes.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
I didn't even know.
I recently counted.
I have a brother who's 3 years older than me and who is super smarter than me. He was really strict with me growing up, but I guess that was a good thing.
Yeah. I used to speak German.
Whoa. Ani, I'm learning so many things about you. I was a girly girl and a tomboy at the same time. Since I went to a really small school, I managed to be on the cheerleading team and the basketball team and the volleyball team.
Really?
So I would wear my cheerleading skirt underneath, my basketball shorts on top, would go from a basketball game to a cheerleading game.
Huh.
I recently told that to my husband. He thought it was really funny.
That is funny. I didn't even know that. I am a great salesperson.
She is. Like, we call her con artist sometimes when she's convincing her husband to buy her those shoes. Ani and I met at my cousin and her brother's wedding when we were 15 years old.
Yeah.
We've been BFFs since.
Yeah, we're not gonna tell you how old we are.
Yeah, since.
Long time. I am a great travel companion. I come prepared for everything, and I pack snacks.
She does.
Born to be a mom.
I hate lamb and goat cheese, so Ani's never packing lamb or goat cheese for those snacks for me.
And I love goat cheese. I have an English lit degree.
My husband Jonathan proposed to me after 10 months of dating, but we all thought he was going to propose to me after 8 months while we took a trip to Italy.
I know.
That was really disappointing.
I broke my right arm in the 4th grade, and now I can't do this. That thing that people can do. Like this.
Wait.
Because I also broke my collarbone.
Wait, what are you doing? People do this?
Yeah, this thing where you can take your hands up and it becomes like sunglasses.
I didn't break my hands.
You guys know what I'm talking about.
This?
But upside down.
I don't know know what you're talking about. Is that something you did in Iran?
Yeah.
Everyone used to think I looked like Hilary Duff growing up. Like, to the point her fans used to chase me around thinking I was Hilary Duff.
Yeah, that's right. You kind of look like Fiona Apple too.
Fiona Apple back in the day. Yeah. Hilary Duff. Cameron Diaz's personality, I think.
Totally.
And cheeks.
My name was supposed to be Lala, but my mom changed her mind 3 days before she gave birth.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I'm obsessed with Disneyland. It's my happy place, mainly because of the churros I get to eat there.
And what are those giant pickles you eat?
Oh, the pickles. I mean, who doesn't eat pickles at Disneyland? Hater.
I love sports cars. I used to drive a really kick-ass Corvette. It had red leather interior. It was like the target top. It was amazing.
Yeah, I'm a sports car girl. I have a mouth of a trucker, right?
Yeah,
you would say that.
Yeah.
And everyone always talks to me, but I've also read that there's studies done that people that curse a lot, like say, are the more honest people because they have nothing to hide. They're just like raw.
I believe that. People think I look like Jennifer Aniston when I have my hair straight.
You totally do.
Yeah.
Like since you were 15, 14.
I'll take it.
I am Sebastian's godmother.
My husband Patrick proposed to me in Paris, and we got married at the Natural History Museum in front of dinosaurs. And we were very, very drunk, and it was so cool taking photos with dinosaurs.
It was a disaster. Disaster. Drunk photos with a lot of dinosaurs. I was the first person Ani called when she found out she was pregnant. True. And her husband doesn't count because he was next to her.
Yeah. Fun fact, I have really nice handwriting.
She does. It's really annoying because I have the worst handwriting.
Yeah.
And I just hand over anything. If we've ever sent
can't even read her handwriting.
If we've ever sent you a note from Modamob, if you won one of our giveaways, Ani's always doing the handwriting for it, and you could tell it's like really, really nice.
It's true.
Jonathan's nickname to me is Lizzy, and if you guys want me to explain, should I do it? It's because I don't give kisses, I primarily lick. So I'll be like, so he calls me Lizzy because of that. Like
a lizard.
Yeah.
My foot grew almost an entire size after childbirth. So those 100 pairs of shoes I have, I can't wear all of them. It's kind of sad.
Ani and I are the travel organizers of our group.
We totally are.
And
good fact.
We get together, because we're together all the time actually, and we spontaneously say, hey, let's go on a trip. And we book our trip and send the itinerary to about 5 of our closest friends, like our travel group. And everyone just immediately emails back and says, booked, 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 booked.
We have a badass crew.
We do.
Really bad hearing. I have to watch TV with the captions on.
She does. And then she'll argue with you.
You're like, huh?
Yeah, and then she'll argue with you. Like, no, you didn't say that. I'm like, you didn't hear me. I am dog mom to this feisty little Pomeranian Rari, who actually survived a pit bull attack. Like, this little thing survived a pit bull attack.
Crazy. And my last fact is that my husband Patrick is the smartest person I've ever met in my entire life. True fact.
All right, we hope you guys learned a thing or two about us.
We even learned a few
I was gonna say, I think I learned a few things about Ani as well.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any other questions for us, just leave them in the comments below.
And we'll answer them. Yay!
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye!